Wash your hands.
Hi, today we are going to be making chocolate chip cookie dough dip. For that, you'll need something to dip it in: graham crackers, brown sugar, powdered sugar, vanilla extract, cream cheese, and mini chocolate chips and butter. And the supplies you need is a measuring cup, a measuring spoons, a spoon, and a bowl. Then you'll need 4 ounces of cream cheese and 2 tablespoons of butter. Add that to the bowl. And add your 2 tablespoons of butter and then put it in the microwave. Allow it to microwave for 30 seconds. The bowl might be hot when you get it out, so be careful. Put it down and then mix it. Keep on mixing and then add your vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon. Then mix that. You'll add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Sweet that up. And next, you'll add a fourth of a cup of powdered sugar. Mix that together. Then add a third of a cup of mini chocolate chips. Then mix that in. Then break your graham crackers into small pieces and then enjoy.
Wash the dishes. Put food back in the pantry. Put food back in the fridge. Let's review. What did she make? A. Dip. B. S'mores. Or C. Donuts. The correct answer is dip. How much vanilla did she use? A, 1 cup, B, 1 pound, or C, 1 teaspoon? The correct answer is 1 teaspoon. What did she use to mix? A, spoon, B, fork, or C, knife? The correct answer is spoon. How long did she put it in the microwave? A, 10 seconds, B, 20 seconds, or C, 30 seconds? The correct answer is 30 seconds. Where should you store cream cheese? A, fridge, B, freezer, or C, pantry? The correct answer is fridge. Find the datasheet and visual recipe link below. Awesome!